Ever opened your iPad settings, tried to sign out of your Apple ID, and found that the sign out button is completely grayed out? You're not alone, and I'm here to walk you through the fastest way to fix it. So, let's get straight to the point. The most common culprit is screen time restrictions. To fix this, open your Settings app and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and hit Content and Privacy Restrictions. If you see the toggle is on, go ahead and turn it off. That should immediately free up your Sign Out button. But what if you want to keep some restrictions? No worries. In the same Content and Privacy Restrictions menu, scroll to the Allow Changes section. Tap on Account Changes and set it to Allow. This lets you sign out without losing other protections. Still grayed out? Go back to the main Screen Time menu. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode and pick Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Enter your code and check again. Most of the time, that's all you need. But if it's still not working, let's check a few more things. If your iPad came from your school or work, there might be a management profile blocking sign out. Head to Settings General, then VPN and Device Management to see if there's a profile installed. Next, try switching off any focus modes, like Sleep or Do Not Disturb, from your control center. Occasionally, these cause a weird bug with the Sign Out button. If you've double-checked everything and the button is still stuck, make sure Stolen Device Protection isn't triggering a security delay. Check that under Face ID and passcode. And if all else fails, force restart your iPad or check for a system update. Pro tip: after changing these settings, give your iPad about a minute. The Sign Out button should turn red and become clickable. That's it. Now you know the fastest way to fix the Sign Out grayed out issue on your iPad.